Defense chief says security threats going down despite widespread insecurity. As activities for this year's Armed Forces Remembrance Day in honor of departed heroes and heroines begin, the Chief of Defense Staff, General Lucky Irabor, has said though insecurity is still a challenge, the present level cannot be compared to the previous one. Irabor, who stated this during a church service to mark this year's Armed Forces Remembrance Day, said the security threats facing the country would soon become history. I would like to specially commend members of the armed forces, especially the veterans who laid the foundation on which we're building upon to bring peace and security to every part of the country. There are challenges, but the challenges are not as much as where we started from. That gives hope for everyone as we go into the year. There is ample opportunity to escalate the actions that brought the peace that we now enjoy, and also to take it to another level where there will be no need for anyone to live in fear in any part of the country, he said. In his Goodwill message, the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya, noted that the celebration is organized annually in recognition of fallen heroes, gallant men and women who paid the supreme price in the defense of peace, unity and prosperity of Nigeria and the world at large. He reiterated that many of our fallen heroes laid down their lives during the First and Second World Wars, Nigerian Civil War, peace support operations across the globe, and various internal security operations, including ongoing fight against insurgency, terrorism, banditry, and secession, among other threats to national security. He maintained that their sacrifices would never be forgotten and prayed for the repose of their souls, adding that care for the injured and maimed personnel will remain a cardinal focus under his watch. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get notifications.